our toilet. And here is our tabo. It's part 2. Here's our toilet, here's our tabo, here's our sink, and here's our shower. And there's more.
Pick me. Si Mama, pick me.
And then here is my mom's phone. I'm using my father's phone.
Dito pa
It's my
sayang eh.
sister's phone.
20 plus pwede. 20
Here's my phone who died.
Ano, 20 plus. Saka sayang mo.
Here's my sister's phone.
Pa. Ilan na extra?
And guys, I wonder if there is somebody going here. I can twist my head, look.
Pwede ba? Kapag kapag tayo 20 years old, din naman doon nila yung sabi ng mag-extra na kayo gano'n naman.
I'm confessing.
14 lang
I'm confessing the house.
Si Handy.
Here's our own self.
Ba't di siya
And then, I'll go upstairs. There's monsters. Monsters. Upstairs. Get a break. Oh. Takot ako. Takot ako. Takot ako sa taas. May multo. I made a brand new friend. So, bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.